Hi, my name is Noni. I'm a beekeeper for Alveole, and I'm here today at the Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas headquarters. So we have 2 beehives here on the property. Their population will ebb and flow, but right now there are anywhere from 30 to 50,000 bees in each hive. Honeybees only have around a 3 to 6 weeks lifespan, except for the queen who can live around 5 years. So bees will collect pollen and nectar. They have about a 3-mile flight radius. So when they collect pollen, they brush it off the little hairs on their body and they'll collect it to bring back to the hive to use as a food source, which is why they're so beneficial as pollinators, because they can pollinate from flower to flower and then really support those crops. Today we came to do our regular inspection on the property, so we added some supplemental feed that we call pollen patties. It's really like a protein and vitamin supplement that will cater to the young bees. We call them the brood, so they can use that to help support a population increase. And we also added some fresh water to the front of the hive so that they always have access to a water source. And on one of these hives here, you see it's taller than the other one. They actually have been increasing their population enough that they needed a second box for some more space. If you didn't know, there's actually a website called My Hive where you can track the progress of your hive. So during our weekly inspections, we'll take some photos of the inside of the hive, maybe some photos of some equipment pieces that we're using, or some videos to illustrate what we're doing in the hive. And you can track that progress and see what we did at the inspection, and where your hive is at, what they're doing leading into the next part of the season. So if you are interested in honeybees, not everyone can have a hive in their yard or on their property, but some things that you can do to help and support the bees are to plant some wildflowers in your area, look into the native plants of your area, and consider even just choosing a small portion of your yard to allow to repopulate with native plants. And also to consider what kind of pesticides, what kind of yard maintenance tools you're using, and how those are affecting your environment.